Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. It's 6:14 p.m. and me and Walter just came from Walmart. And y'all know I don't cook when I've been out shopping, but I decided to cook. I started not to film because you all have seen me make chili hundreds of times. But I said, let me film. So, I'm supposed to be making some chicken noodle soup. That's what I had to taste for a couple days ago. And I didn't. And I was supposed to be making some ravioli lasagna. I haven't made it yet. So, this is what I'm making. I love chili. I think as much as I love chicken. Okay, so I got the very lean ground beef. So I don't have to be dipping out no grease. The only thing I hate about this cookware, the handles get hot. I would have preferred a rubberized handle. But other than that, it cooks like cast iron. This is the Thyme and Thyme, Thyme and table cookware I get from Walmart. They also sell it on Amazon. I got the black and gold. Okay, so the meat is done. I'll show y'all. That's how the meat looks. Okay, now I'm starting. I always season my meat after it's done. So I got 2 packs of chili seasoning mix. I got the Great Value brand. I'm supposed to use 1 pack per pound of meat. So I got 2 pounds of lean ground beef. Okay, and you're supposed to put water in here. I'm going to add extra stuff. Y'all know me. This ain't enough water. And there's going to be water in the beans that I'm using. And basically dump everything else in. After the meat gets done, you can dump everything else in. This is a tablespoon of the chicken bouillon powder that I use all the time. It adds a special flavor. Start adding some of this juicy stuff in here. I got the Great Value light red kidney beans. I got the Great Value chili beans because it has a thicker sauce. I like my chili to be almost like a soup. I don't like it thick. And I like red beans. Today I'm adding some Rotel, diced tomatoes, and chilies. It's the mild. I should have got the hot. Let's see if that's all I'm going to add. It's smelling so good. It don't actually start to smell good until I season it. And this ain't juicy enough for me, y'all. Let's see what it needs. A little more chili powder. Where is it? Found my chili powder. There it is. have the smoked Mexican chili powder. Just a little. Just a couple good shakes. Look, I need some more water. You know what? I want some salsa up in here. I'm going to use some thick and chunky salsa, even though I got the Rotel. And always listen for the pop when you open something. And smell it and look at it. Okay, I'm not using the whole jar. This is the medium. It has the bell pepper and all the stuff that goes in salsa. Jalapenos, the bell pepper, the onions, the garlic. Because I don't chop up all that in my... Okay, I'm going to turn this off and I'll be back. I'm going to go get some water. Okay. I added the extra liquid. It needs a little more salt, so I'm using the Knorr chicken bouillon powder. Probably a teaspoon. This adds a good flavor, y'all. And I'm adding some jalapeno pepper juice to give it a kick. Oh Lord. Okay, open it. This summer, it's basically done right now. Oh my. Pepper. And it's the black, red, green, and white peppercorn. I didn't put no what's this here sauce in here. What's this here sauce? Walter buys the good stuff. He finally broke down about the good stuff. Okay, now I can open this. There you go. A few swigs. Okay. Let it simmer. I'll be back in a minute. This is my chili, y'all. I can make some good chili. My mama made good chili. See what I mean? I like it kind of saucy. Okay, I'm going to dip up my... Is this a good thumbnail or not? Okay, I'm dip up my bowl. Now, okay, I'm finished using up this shredded cheese. And then I ain't buying no more. I've already bought some block cheese so I can grate it. There's some bad stuff in here, but I'm gonna eat the rest of this. Put cheese in it. Oyster crackers. Where's Walter? Did he want some chili? so I know how much to make. He figured, fooling around in the cabinet. I said, man, can you give me an answer? He said, yes, I want some. He was trying to see if there's any oyster crackers here. The chili is the main thing, not the oyster crackers. It's too hot for me to taste. No chili. Let me see. I got on one of my merch shirts. I'm just winging that shirt. This is my first merch. That's when I was making a lot of air fried chicken wings. And they were good. Okay. Look at that cheese stringing. And this has, you can see the tomato, the cubes of tomato in here, and what is that, jalapeno or bell pepper or something. And I didn't chop up nothing. I'm not putting this in my mouth. Can y'all see the stain? But anyway, my chili is consistently delicious, as with all of my soup type meals. This is so good, y'all. This is delicious. I want y'all to see the stain against my black shirt. Y'all see that? Okay. So if y'all don't mind me showing y'all the dishes I like to make over and over again, y'all can choose to watch them or not, depending on the title. So I know I make this a lot because I really like chili. I make chicken a lot because I really like chicken. Some people get tired of seeing the same thing, but that's MzBrazell. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye.